Exercise, compound sentences. In this exercise, you'll practice creating compound sentences. Remember, compound sentences allow you to connect two or more independent clauses, each with its own subject and verb, into one sentence. Let's look at an example. I love pizza, but I don't like anchovies. You can use any coordinating conjunction to connect the clauses, such as and, or, yet, for, and so on. Each conjunction gives a different meaning to the sentence, so choose carefully. Read each sentence and combine it with the sentence next to it using a coordinating conjunction to create a compound sentence. For example, I like pizza. I also like burgers. Answer: I like pizza, and I also like burgers. The answers immediately follow the question, so pause the video if you need more time to think. I love to go hiking. I also like to go fishing. The coordinating conjunction is and. I love to go hiking and I also like to go fishing. The movie starts at 7 p.m. I need to be there on time. The coordinating conjunction is so. The movie starts at 7 p.m., so I need to be there on time. The moon is out. The birds are singing. The coordinating conjunction is yet. The moon is out yet the birds are singing. I have to clean my room. I want to watch TV. The coordinating conjunction is but. I have to clean my room, but I want to watch TV. There is Star Wars on screen 1. There is Mission Impossible on screen 2. The coordinating conjunction is or. There is Star Wars on screen 1 or there is Mission Impossible on screen 2. I hope you had fun with this exercise. Remember, practicing is key to improving your language skills, so keep at it.